Huawei just revealed something that could completely change China's future in tech. Right now, companies like Apple and Nvidia dominate the world's most powerful chips. Apple controls smartphone chips, Nvidia controls AI chips, and most advanced semiconductors are built using American software and extremely advanced Dutch manufacturing machines. But after the US placed heavy restrictions on China, everything changed. The US blocked Chinese companies like Huawei from easily buying advanced AI chips, chip-making equipment, and certain American technologies. The goal was simple: slow down China's rise in AI and semiconductors before it could compete with the West. And for a while, it worked. Huawei's phone business crashed. China struggled to make cutting-edge chips, and companies like Nvidia became almost impossible for China to fully depend on because newer AI chips kept getting restricted. So Huawei decided to build a different path. Instead of only making chips physically smaller like everyone else, Huawei created a new system called LogicFolding. And the idea is actually pretty simple. Imagine a normal computer chip like a giant city. Data constantly travels through tiny electronic roads inside the processor. The longer those roads are, the slower and hotter the chip becomes. Huawei's new design basically folds those roads tighter together. That means information moves faster, wastes less power, and creates less heat without fully relying on the foreign chip technology China struggles to access. And that's why this matters so much, because China doesn't just want better smartphones anymore. It wants technological independence. Huawei plans to use these chips in future phones, AI systems, robots, servers, self-driving cars, and maybe even military technology. And the timing is insane. China is already dominating electric cars, batteries, drones, and robotics. Now it's trying to dominate the brain behind all those machines too: semiconductors. If Huawei succeeds, China could build its own complete tech ecosystem from humanoid robots and AI servers to autonomous cars and flying taxis, all powered by Chinese hardware instead of American technology. That would completely reshape the global tech industry. Because in the AI era, whoever controls advanced chips controls the future, and Huawei is trying to make sure that future belongs to China.